Waka nang inawala na, boy! Game over! Naluto na yung mga utak nila ng ideolohiyang pangkanila lang. Sabi ni Jamie Casino dito, stop using your phony science! Oh my God. Whew. Whatever you have right now, yung dibdib mo, yung mga makeup na pinantapal mo, yung pang-curls mo, diba? Yung mga nails mo, those are products of the phony science that you are trying to bring down. Now, here is what's dangerous sa current social media natin. They try to weaponize the truth. Now, the problem is never there. The problem is yung mga taong marireach niya na walang kapasidad to be critical about the things like his claims. Diba? To justify your transphobia. So, science is being used to justify transphobia, and you are also, or at least your group, are also justifying mutilation of kids, drinking hormone blockers, just because they feel like they are a trans. And then you are going to claim, you are going to claim that your interpretation is the real science. Well, tough luck. Hindi lang ikaw ang marunong ng science dito. And you know what's worse? Yung mga marunong din ng science na against sa mga pinagsasabi mo also have critical thinking. Now, let's talk about science. Gender dysphoria. Yung pagkalito ng isang bata sa gender identity nila. Now, it is written in the DSM-5 as a mental illness. Now, may research na pag hinayaan mo lang yung bata doon sa pagkakaroon ng gender dysphoria, meaning hindi mo ina-affirm, hindi mo pinapainom ng pills, hindi mo pinagdadamit babae, hindi mo binabakla, di ba? Pagtungtong nila ng adult age, ino-orient nila yung mga sarili nila doon sa biological sex nila. So, problem solved. Hindi mo kailangan ng mga hormones blocker na yan. Hindi mo kailangan baklain yung mga bata. They can decide once they are at the right age. Okay? And marami doon sa hinayaan lang yung naging straight. So how's that for science, ha? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme Part 2. Tingnan natin yung HIV cases daw. Nung sinabi sa Facebook about doon sa information nila doon sa HIV ng LGBT community. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.